How are you guys? This video has many things that I decided to share with you so that I don't want to delay a time. I would like to show you how to install GridnSoft Antivirus on your Windows 10 2021 so that you can use this Windows 10 2021 on flashing phones without anything disturbing you. Before you do anything on your computer, you need to disable Windows Defender permanently. As you see right now on this page, if this option is turned on, you will be prevented from performing many things like using flash tools for flashing phones. So that I would like to show you how to disable this option permanently. Come on search box, type group policies, then open. Come on option administrative and Windows components, double click. Scroll down. Come on option Microsoft Defender Antivirus, double click. Then come on turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus, double click. Right. On this option, click on option enabled and apply. OK. Come on option allow antivirus service to remain running always. Come here and disable, apply and OK. Now come on for the return real-time protection, open there. Turn off real-time protection, double click, disable, apply and OK. Turn on behavior monitoring, double click, tick on box, disable, apply and OK. Scan all downloaded files and attachments, double click. On this option, you stop this option to scan our downloads, disable, apply and OK. Monitoring file, disable monitoring file, apply and OK. Turn on process scanning whenever real-time protection is enabled. You need to disable this option, apply and OK. That's the same, that option needed to be disabled, apply and OK. Right, we have done. Now it's OK. I've opened this page again to show you real-time protection. So we need to refresh this page. You need to be back, to click back and now go back to the real time as you see right now. This is the way that you can do to turn off permanently real-time protection, so that you can use Windows 10 to flash phones without anything disturbing you. But we know every time your machine needs to have an antivirus to prevent some virus on your machine. So I would like to show you the antivirus that you are supposed to use if you are the one who want to make a business of flashing phones. You need to use GridnSoft Antivirus 2021. Every time, make sure your antivirus is up to date. Click OK. Next, agree, install. Click on finish. Come on option protect. Click here. So you need to turn on internet security. Let us try to turn on here. As you see right now, you need to pay $39 US. Don't worry about that. Right, you come here. Already we have a page to unlock this version of GridnSoft Antivirus. So that open your page according to the OS bit. Now we are going to open again our antivirus. So go to open, protect, and you need to turn on internet security. Now it's turned on because we have activated our GridnSoft Antivirus, as you see right now. Here on this option, removable device, and turn on to prevent any threat that can entering in your PC through flash stick, memory card. Right, on this option written on run protection, do not turn it on. If you turn it on, you will be disturbed to flash phones, so do not turn it on. Right, come on settings and turn this option, this box tick, as you see right now. Close. Remember choice. As you see right now, our PC is now protected. If you have done this, everything what you do on your computer is going in good way, especially when you want to flash phones. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel YouTube Mkoma Jola. Your subscription is very important to us, so continue watching videos on YouTube. I urge you to join our WhatsApp group for receiving main tutorial videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. Goodbye.